dude. Out of car.
Out or you will die. Out or you will die now. Out the car or you will die. Hands up.
Hands up. Keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving, dude. May I have keys? Keys, dude. No, I pulled over. Stopped in the road. You hit me. Yeah, I can discuss it with you. Yeah, I do. Just give me keys, dude. Dude, I already told you I will come into the radio and talk with you, dude. I already said I will come to the radio and talk to you, dude. What? Where? Just tell me where. Yeah, my name is E. You have any cargo in your truck? Who did you get robbed by, do you know? Wait, TSF robbed you? Yeah, we're looking for TSF, we thought it might be you, so... You know what? I'm gonna be nice today. I'm gonna let you go with your truck, okay? How much
Wait, can I get keys?
User joined your channel.
You're still here?
Can I have keys? Put down your hands, give me keys. I'm not going to chop it, okay? I just want to see what's inside it. Yeah, just give me keys so I can check what's inside it. Yeah. I'm not gonna... Right, man. Drop your hands and give me keys, or we will chop the truck. We'll just peglock it. If you're not gonna give us keys...
No, I didn't get...
give them to Gregor.
No.
Give them to Gregor. Drop your hands, give them to Gregor now. That's not to the truck. You need to give it to the...
Nice
give
driving,
it to the truck.
nice driving.
Take a truck. Take a truck now and go. Take a truck and go. Listen, we're letting you keep the truck. Do copper or some crap, okay? Listen, do copper. Do copper. Do copper. If you need money, do copper, okay? Well, do it again with police protection. Do it again with police protection, okay? Yeah. He'll be on the radio.
That's the nature of the game. Who's looking for me? A name called Greg, or a guy called Gregor. What in game? That's quite funny. That's quite funny, really. Unlucky. Like, maybe you should be doing cocaine. Go fishing. Yeah, go fishing, dude. Or go join a gang that can provide some protection to you. Well, so you don't have any footage? Yeah, like, even if you did, it wouldn't get accepted. Like, this. No, I can't blame you for trying, but yeah, right, thanks for coming, I guess, and yeah, try and join a gang that can offer some protection, dude. Yeah, yeah, like, yeah, just keep plugging away at the game, dude. Like, it is frustrating, but it does get easier when you get more advanced, dude. Reporting? Oh, recruiting. Not at the moment, but you'd need to be like advanced, have a stable bank account, lots and lots of licenses. Basically, we're one of the best games in the server, so you need to be one of the best players inside of the game. Yeah, sorry, dude.